In today's lecture, we are going to see how the XLOOKUP works. So, along with the XLOOKUP, we are going to see some of the functionalities of XLOOKUP, like how it works on horizontal, wildcard, double lookup, and other functionalities of XLOOKUP. So, for that reason, what I did is I have taken some of the Indian cricket players' details and their salaries on the one sheet, and I have added their bonuses on the separate sheet. Okay, and let's see how XLOOKUPs works to bring the bonuses for each players over here. So the first thing, uh, we'll start with XLOOKUP, open the bracket, and then lookup value. So lookup value is I want to select Rohit Sharma here. So I want to bring the values for this particular column, Rohit Sharma, and put a comma separator. Then lookup array. So lookup array is what I will go to the bonus sheet here. I have all the players details here. I will select as it's in the same sheet. I need to press F4 here. If it is in a different workbook or something, then I don't need to do it because it's the same workbook and separate sheet. I need to click a F4. So before F4 it was showing without dollars, and after F4 it was showing with dollars. Okay. Then put a comma. I will show you again. Return array. So in when I click a return array, so let's say I am selecting the return array. So these are the values I want. So here if you see, there is no dollar signs. But as both are in the same workbook and a separate sheet, you need to add a F4 here or press F4. If F4 is not working, use function plus F4. It will add dollar signs to like this and close the brackets and press enter. So it will bring the values here and just press enter. You will see all the values has come up for Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli 2%. We'll go and cross compare. Bonus for Virat Kohli is 2%. KL Rahul, Umesh Yadav 5.5%, and Smriti is 0.5%. So you can see Smriti 5%, zero point 0.5, and Umesh is also 0.5%. And the people like Hardik Pandya don't have any bonus because here we don't have added his name. So in this case, as they are not eligible for the bonuses, so what we have to do is we have to put a formula. If they are not eligible, put a comma, and I am saying that take the value as 0. So just select this one and drag it till the end. So you see that the values which are there, so now is been updated as blank. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to convert this 2% of 7 CR. So for that, what we will do is press enter or put a star here at the end of the formula and select the salary and percentage, press enter. So you will return with the values and just drag till the end and use the sum formula. Add this one B plus C. You will get the total salary including bonus. So this is how the X lookup works, and you can use this one. Okay, then the next thing is so we have run through X lookup. So I will just mark it as green for this. Then horizontal lookup. So how the horizontal lookup works. So let's put the horizontal lookup now. I will just add the horizontal lookup for our learning purpose, and I have prepared the sheet here. So I have the values in a horizontal way. Okay, these are all horizontal way. Values also are there. So what I will do is I will go to salary again, salary sheet, and we'll put a X lookup formula, X lookup open the bracket, and I want Rohit Sharma values, comma, lookup array. So lookup array, I will go to horizontal. I will cross compare all these values. And again, as it is in the same workbook, I need to put a F4, comma, and here also I want to bring the return array. So I want to bring these return values, function plus F4 or F4, then close the bracket, press enter. So you will get the values here. So this is how the horizontal will work. So this is done. Now the second one is wildcard. So what is the wildcard? So the use case of the wildcard is, for example, let's say I have two players here, Kohli. So for example, let's say I have a Kohli and I have one more player like Rahul and one more player Shekhar Dhawan. So I will put Dhawan's name here. Okay, let's copy this one. Some formula is there. Okay. Here Dhawan is there. So what is the use case of wildcard? I will show you now. Let's say if you added the name, if you just remember the name of your first name or the last name, you completely don't aware of the complete name of the person. So what we can do is, I just remember the last name of this particular person now. Okay, so in that case also we can use XLOOKUP. So what I will do is, I will put a equal to sign XLOOKUP, open the bracket, select the name. But before selecting the name, what you have to put is, as you don't aware of the initial naming, right? So just open the separator and put a star here. That is the multiplication sign. And again, close the separator and Z3. So G3 is nothing but your surname, which is mentioned, and put a comma here. Lookup array. So lookup array is the same range which we have to select, and I also want to return the same values here. So just put a comma, and return also I want to bring the values from here only. So select again all these values, comma, if not found. So not found is not the case here, because I want to get the values, right? So if not found values is showing up, so just put a comma so that it will bypass. Now match mode. So in the match mode, you have the wildcard character match. So double click on this one, the last one, and close the brackets and press enter. So it will bring the values. So I just enter the Kohli, but it has brought the value Virat Kohli. The same way it will bring up for KL Rahul also. So it has brought the value. But for Shekhar Dhawan, what has happened is, Dhawan is in the middle, right? So what will happen is, it will return with a value NA. Why? Because Dhawan is in the middle. Because the formula which we have given on the top is only work for this thing, where your Kohli is last name, and where he are saying that if it is a star in the start and last, it should be Kohli. So that is the reason it has brought up the value. Now in the case of the one, what we will do is, because at the end also some name is there, right? So for that, what we will do is, we'll put a and sign again, and put a separator star, and again close the separator, press enter. So now you see that it has brought the value. So this is how the values work. So you can put a same formula if at the end, if you don't know the details, you can search like this. So this is how the uh, wildcard works. So we have done with wildcard also. Then double lookup. So how the double lookups works. So let me remove these values here now. So we have done with double lookup also. Let's say now double lookup. So to do a double lookup, what I will do is first I will go to data. In the data, what I will do is I will just go to data and I will just bring the list over here. So I will go to the list and I will select the range. So I will bring all the players into a this particular area and press OK. So let's say I want to bring it for Chhattisgarh Pujara. So Chhattisgarh Pujara, I want to bring some values. So I will open one more field here. So that will give me a salary, bonus, and total salary. Okay. So just go to the list again, select the list again, and select the salary, bonus, and everything. Select this, press OK, and click on bonus. Now, what is the use case of a double lookup? So how the double lookups works and how we can utilize. Like let's say an example for Chhattisgarh Pujara, I want to check the bonus and I want to check the total salary or I want to check the salary. So all this information, or maybe I want to check the someone Umesh Yadav's salary or something. So in that case, double lookup will help. So for that, what we will do is we'll go and put a X lookup, open the bracket, lookup value Umesh Yadav, put a comma, lookup array is the name itself, comma, return what? Return all these values. I will select any value. Like I can select salary, I can select bonus, or I can select salary. So return any value. Okay. So here what we have to do is the double lookups works in a way where we have to put a VLOOKUP again here. That is XLOOKUP. Sorry to say VLOOKUP. So put a XLOOKUP again. Open the bracket and here you have to give the salary. Okay, so you select this value, comma, lookup array is what? These are the my lookup array, comma. I want to bring same way, same range, like whatever the salary, whatever the total salary bonus. So I want to bring the same value. So I will not make any changes here as I have put two lookups here, X lookups. So I will put two closures and press enter. So you will see here Ubesh Yadav salary is how much? 1 CR. Let's say Umesh Yadav bonus. So it will show up the same amount which is showing up here. Let's see total salary of Umesh Yadav. So you will see the total salary of Umesh Yadav. Now, uh, Kaur's salary is 50 lakhs. So let's change the player's name here, Kaur. So you will see the total salary of Kaur is 55. Let's see the bonus of her. So it's just a 50,000 like Virat Kohli. So if I select Virat Kohli, let's put Virat Kohli. Just go up and select Virat Kohli. So for Virat Kohli, the bonus is this much and the salary is 7 CR and the total salary is, it will show you up with these details. So this is how the double lookup works. Okay, so we have done with double lookup also. Now the last one is, for example, let's say there is one more requirement as came up. Let's say new bonus. So they have declared a new bonus for a players. Let's say I will remove this one also. New bonus for a players. So, and the new bonus is based upon the value. Whoever is 50 lakhs will get 1 percentage. 1 CR will people will get 2 percentage. 2 CR will get 4 percentage based upon the some random amount they are giving the bonuses. Okay. So for that, how the system will take these values. So let's say I will go here. I will go and put a X lookup. Select this one. Now I don't put a X lookup on the names. I will put the X lookup on the amount. Open this bracket and close with comma and lookup array is, I will go to the same sheet. I will select these values because it's in a separate sheet. What I will do is I will put a F4 here. Okay. Then put a comma. Return array is what? I want to bring the percentage. Okay. So I will bring this percentage, comma. If not found, it's not the case. I just put one more comma because the amount can be up or down anything, right? So I want to give 7 CR. If it is 7 CR, then 10 percentage. If it's 5 CR, it's 8 percentage based upon that, right? So what I will do is I will put a exact match or next smaller item. So I will select this option and close the bracket. So it will bring the new bonuses here to all the players. Why it has not come up with the values? Because we have not selected the percentage dollars again. So we'll put a formula again. So small that F4 we have not selected, right? So that is the reason it has not come up. So we'll do a X lookup again. Go to the bracket. Lookup value is my amount is my lookup value. Put a comma. Lookup array. I will go and I will put my lookup array as this amount. Now I need to put a F4 here. So once that is done, put a comma separator and return array is what? My values. So these are my return array and put a F4 here. Press F4 means when you press F4, it will add up the dollar sign, comma. So if not found, this is not the case. So I will put one more comma here. So match mode. So in the match mode, I have exact match or a smaller amount. So I will select this one and I will close the bracket. Press enter. So it will bring the all the values here. So just drag down. So this is how the values come up. So if you want, you can cross compare the values like 5 CR is 8 percentage. So 5 CR is 8 percentage. So for example, let's say, and 50,000 is 1 percentage. You can see here 50,000 people is getting 1 percentage. So let's say if the Rohit Sharma values goes down to 6 CR. So it will automatically change based upon the amount. So that is the reason we have to select this formulas. Okay. So this is how the X lookups and their functionality works, and you also see how we can utilize additional functionality of X lookup. Thank you.